Adam, thank you. 8:01 right now. And this morning, we know nearly 5,000 people in our state have coronavirus. Over the weekend, we learned of about 600 more positive cases, bringing the state total to this 4,896. And the death toll, these numbers here on your screen, 195. And as we see an increase in coronavirus cases in our state, we're also seeing a number of spaces being transformed into temporary hospitals. Some will be used to treat coronavirus patients. Others are just for people who don't have the virus. This is just an attempt to free up hospital beds. Q13's John Hopperstad live in Everett, where we are learning more about a new quarantine and isolation site that is set to open. John, hi.
Hi, yeah, we're supposed to hear more about this later today, about what's going to happen here at Angel of the Winds Arena in Everett. But as you mentioned, it's going to be a local quarantine site, and it could open as soon as this week. This will be for people here in Snohomish County. Normally, of course, the home for the Everett Silvertips. You see lots of concerts here and other sporting events as well. But it is going to be a new coronavirus isolation and quarantine site for people who can't recover in their own homes or for those who don't have shelter. Dave Summers, Snohomish County Executive, says we must come together as a community to ensure we are controlling the spread of COVID-19. Similar facilities may be necessary across the county, and we appreciate the city of Everett's willingness to do their part to help control the spread of this pandemic. Meanwhile, CenturyLink Field in Seattle, that is going to be a field hospital as well. The Army Corps of Engineers going forward with plans there, 150 beds for non-coronavirus patients. Again, the idea there is to create bed space at local hospitals by taking folks who are not battling the virus and taking them outside of those local hospitals, creating more room for the folks who are battling that virus. And we've been telling you about another field hospital going up in Shoreline on soccer fields there. There are now 2 buildings there. We were out there earlier this morning, kind of in the dark there, but the lights are on in these facilities. The generators are up and working now, so those should be open soon as well. We are seeing a lot of field hospitals beginning to pop up in our area. In fact, Central Park in New York has field hospitals going up right now as we speak. The governor says we could see more of those as we deal with this coronavirus, and also he's calling for more equipment as well. But again, here in Everett, the Angel of the Winds arena here expected to be turned into a quarantine facility and open at some point this week. Liz?